open it up. Alright guys, and welcome back to Hector's Real Reviews. Today we're going to go ahead and do a review on my new 19-in-1 screwdriver set. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for reviews. Let's go and actually check it out. So we recently bought these at a flea market. Check it out. Which I thought we hit the jackpot. But a few things that are telling me that they're probably not, but I wanted to open it up to check it out, so we're gonna go ahead and use this for. So it does come in this cool little pouch right here. Okay. So this is what it looks like right out of there. Oh, okay, it's cool. So this part sticks right out. Use that however you like. Like I said, it is 19-in-1. Add this to it if we need to. So we're gonna need to open this up. Let's go ahead and open it up, test it out. Alright, so let's go ahead and actually look at the tool here. So as you can see, it does come with 18 of them. Super easy to just spin it less. So then you could take this out, kind of use this as a little bit more of leverage if you need that little extra push on there. And then the 19th one is right here. So more of like a little extension for it. Super good magnetic on there. So, and then I'll show you how to get these out as well. So if you just turn this to the one that you need, so let's say we need this one, we'll just slide that out. Boom, pop it right in, lock it. As you can see, it's stuck right here. So now you're good to go to start using it wherever you need, right? And then once you're done, pop it here, slip it back, and then you're good to go. So that way they don't slide out. But the other cool feature that I saw was, so like let's say, you know, you're going to be using this one and this one, you can keep them on there too. So I thought that was kind of cool. That's kind of like a quick way to like, okay, I need this one, boom, 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 put this one here because I'm going to need it here in a second. And now we can do this one and then take care of business with this one and then literally be good to go. So I did like that you can set some right here. It actually even has access for one more, so you can put something like that. So, like I said, super cool, guys. Like as you can see, the magnets hold very well. So now let's go ahead and get this opened up. I'll put these back. All right, so we'll go ahead and take this one out, pop it in place, lock it up, and we'll go ahead and open it up. Boom, look at that. Slides right out. The other cool thing is you could probably use this just to kind of keep the screw on there. So you could do that for that as well, so that way you don't lose your screws. Let's go ahead and open this up. Dang. So I'll show the example of what it's supposed to look like, but yeah, it looks like we got a repo here. Oh wow. I think we ended up spending, I could have spent more than $2 or $3 on it at a flea market, but it was worth trying. I'm sure we could probably get at least that back. Now we could put this back together. We'll put the screw back. There it is. Super cool. I really like this tool, man. It's gonna be super handy to have. Like they just boom, snap it right back, and then you're literally good to go. Fortunate for this one, that was a bust, no worries. But as far as the tool, definitely came in handy in this situation. I will need a different tool for this one, which I'll link the other video here as well. The company does send me a different tool set for this one. This one's kind of like a star shaped, which this one does not have, but it does have plenty of other options. You guys are going to want to watch the other video as well. But like I said, once you're done, just put in this little handy pouch right here. Put this little piece right here, seal it up. little belt loop, just hold it, put it in your toolbox, but it's literally good to go. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It definitely helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new 19-in-1 screwdriver set, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave the link down below so you can get yours. Highly recommend.